And yay! Wow!
What is this? What is this for Travis? Travis?
Yay!
Wow!
Come here.
Open.
Lalaro siya. To Trevor from Mommy. What will you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What up, my mama? That's not
Oh,
yours.
that's your skull.
This one?
Yes.
Overdrive! Overdrive! Oh! Overdrive!
That is to call from Trevor.
Overdrive!
That's from Daddy. Oh, ba't nagbukas siya agad ang pangano?
Wala, yun na. That's from Daddy as well. What's that? Who's that? Who's that?
I think that's Megatron.
That's
Yeah,
Megatron.
May battery ba tayo ng ano ni Kyle?
Meron.
Meron mo control kasi yun.
Oh, wow. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow, ganda.
Gift receipt ba? Ba't may resibo pa doon?
Oo, gift receipt siya kasi in case na ayaw ni Cal. Wala siyang price.
Ang galing naman. Thank you po.
You're welcome.
Autobot!
What's that?
Autobot!
Other Autobot. That's from Tito Sian.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, excavator.
Excavator!
Yay.
You love it? Okay.
Yeah.
Dapat naisip ko tayo sa iba.
Abi, pasuyin na lang ng serving spoon. Open. Can you see? What? Bumblebee! Oh, Daddy, look at this. Wow!
I love it. Ito naman, ito ang gusto.
You like that?
I like your mommy.
Oh.
Your mommy.
Oh, lumobo pa yung laway. Lumobo pa yung laway.
And this one.
And what's
Bumblebee.
Yeah, let's keep that.
I think it was inside here.
Oh! Wow! Color! That's from Mars. From Mommy Silves.
I think it was inside.
Oo, mamaya niya pa.
Nabuksan na niya yung iba.
Mamaya.
A book. A book. You like it?
Wow! A book! Yay! So you will use your color for that coloring book. Yay! What will you say?
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you
I
po.
want a gift.
Yeah, that's to Trevor from Cal. Love Cal. What will you say to Cal?
Thank you, Sal.
You hug him. Hug him. That's a big gift. Oh.
Kailangan to. Hindi
So
matanggal.
what's that? Thank you, guys.
Ano?
Oh, thank you, guys.
Ang galing naman niya, may ganun siya. May expression siya.
Oh, what? What's that? Oh my God. Oh my God. Wow. Say thank you to Tita Mori.
Thank you. You're welcome. Merry Christmas.
Sarap yung kaldereta.
Resibo.
As in,
Galing nyo ah.
gano'n kasarap.
Masarap.
Pwede ng pang-karinderya.
Wow.
What's that? That's from Tito Sian as well. What will you say to Tito Sian?
Thank you. Screwdriver for the battery, anak eh.
What's that? Oxyloto.
No, that's not.
Oh, there's a turtle.
So, we keep tayo. Hindi na nga lang kainin.
Yay!
Gecko!
Oh, what will you say to Wawa?
Thank you, Wawa.
Oh, from Ka. That's from Mommy and Daddy. What will you say, Kal? Thank you, Mommy.
Welcome, darling.
Mommy, how you can transform?
Wow. That's so cool. Wow.
Baby metal.
What's
Big
that?
baby metal.
Wow. Let
So
mommy open it.
cool.
Kalimutan ko na rin. Lalo pa nga pa.
Mommy, look at
You pull the ribbon. Yep, like that. Yep. And then open this.
Porchetta pala natin. Ihiwa ko na.
Ano yun? Ah, yun. Nakuha ka lang.
Wow! Open it. Open it. What will you say to Lolo?
Saan mo ka dyan?
Totoo ba?
Wow! Say thank you, Lolo.
you, Lola.
Okay na siya dito, oh. Favorite naman niya to, eh.
Wow!
Wow, Travis!
Wow!
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 Wow, Travis!
Dito, anak?
Ganda. Ay, sorry. Ito, di ko napansin.
Hindi, okay lang. Siya naman, anong
Wow, Travis!
Ganda.
Thank you!
From Manokao and Tita Mori and Tito Francis.
Yes, thank you! Pangbat! Oo!
Basketball sila ba ng
Habang nagbabatab. Oh, to Tito Tristan, Merry Christmas, love, Cal. Oh.
Uy, grabe. Ano to?
Wow!
Uy, thank you, Francis. Uy, nice. Ang ganda.
Wow!
Ano to?
Put it down.
Bango niyan.
Put it down. Put it
Tingin.
down.
sabi mo, like,
Akso.
Oo nga.
Oh, ang ganda ng box.
put down.
Armaf. Ang ganda ng box. Uy, grabe.
Ay,
ang
wow.
Ang
Ganda
oh.
nga. Ang ganda ng lalagyan. Sana,
Wow! Oh.
ano?
Ay, bango.
Hindi nga.
Ano may parang ano na. Dito sa kabila.
No, but we're doing.
Oh.
Ano amoy? Amoy mo nga, Alex.
Bango.
Bango ah. Huwag mong gamitin yan.
Parang... Thank you, Francis.
Ang bango!
Bango, diba?
Ang bango! Amoy mayaman! Grabe, saan mo nabili yan?
Eh, baka ito pa bango ni Francis, kaya alam niya.
Oo nga.
Sa Alex.
Oh, thank you. Mamaya na ako mag-open. Parang ano to ah. Parang may Oo nga.
Hindi siya ano.
Ay, wow! Thank you. Ano ba yun? May prize. Uy, ang mahal na na.
Hindi ko na ano.
Ako nito. Ang tagal ko na pinag-iisipang bilhin to.
Oh, wag ka na mag-isip. Ayan na.
Lang, mahal lang.
Oo
Ay,
nga. Thank you so much.
Alam mo yung nakakahiya.
Hindi, okay lang.
Nakalimutan.
Oh,
Muffin
thank
maker.
you.
Gawa.
Siya po tayo tinapay.
Kanina medyo ano solid.
Mommy, look at you.
Oh, the swing!
Mommy, so fast.
Yeah.
Sabi ko niya.
Wow, Travis.
Travis, pero feeling ko si Trevor yung...
Maglala.
Sabi ko, okay na din.
Hindi pag nagbabatab sila eh. So, sabay.
Nasaan yung isang ano nun?
Kasi kami turkey.
Kaya. Wow! Wow! Ganda! Wow! Wow! Wow!
Oh, pupo.
Merry Christmas, Travis! Travis, Merry Christmas!
Ito, may stuff ko
Wow!
cream gusto niya.
From Wawa. Babis, you have another gift. What's this? Open mo nga, B, please.
Wow!
Wow! Thank you po. Tito Man. Travis, Merry Christmas from Kuya Brent. Wow, bonnet! At least may bonnet na siya.
Galing, ang galing na magregalo ni Brenta.
Ang cute pa. Thank you, Kuya Brent. Tignan to Travis from Tito Mim and Tita Sheila. Yay! Ay, bitin mo, regalo nila ate. From Lolo. Thank you, Tay. From Lolo Alex. Wow! Wow, Travis! Wow, Pogi! Ay, bless you. Pogi. Busy siya.